G'day, I didn't see you there. If you're new here, I'm Shah, and welcome to Four Wheels on the Road, the place where we help you get the most out of your weekends away. This trip away we're going to take a couple of days off and start just outside of Woodford at Neurum Creek Bush Retreat. Probably just going to chill out around the campsite for most of the day, but have a bit of a drive as well and see what we can see around the area. And then for day two we're going to go to Somerset Dam, check out the recreation areas there and just mainly enjoy the drive. Alright then, let's get to it. So we're just heading into Neurum Creek now. It's a little bit cold up here at the moment because obviously it's winter time, so probably won't be doing any of the swimming or other things that we would usually be doing on this trip. But should be a very enjoyable couple of days away nevertheless. Looking forward to it. At just an hour and 20 minutes north of Brisbane, nestled on the foothills of Mount Archer, Neurum Creek has some stunning campsites that are bordering on the Diagula National Park at Mount Mee. The sites are set up for camping, caravanning and motorhomes, and they've got great access to townships nearby, so if you want to get some fuel or supplies you can nip into one of the townships that are close by at Woodford, not too far away. And also if you want to go and explore some other areas, which we're going to go to tomorrow, you've got 10 minutes down the road to Lake Somerset. The sites here are dog friendly and set on 312 acres, and there's 1.5 kilometres of creek frontage with campsites available there. The sites here are great for kids and there's plenty of space to ride bikes, go bushwalking, or if they want to they can go canoeing in the creek. Alright, we're going to head off now for a drive up Rasmussen Road and onto Lovedays Road and have a quick look at the Archer Campground and the Broadwater picnic area. Then we're going to go for a bit of a drive further up the road and see if there's anything else we can check out in the area. This particular site here is Archer Campground. It's a nice little area with lots of birds, and Neurum Creek is just on the other side of this, and there's walkways down to the creek, and this is all national park here. This is all part of Diagula National Park. There's a nice little day use area here as well called Broadwater. It's about 100 metres past Archer camping area. got chairs and tables and toilets. And there's a bushwalk as well here to a waterhole, which is quite nice. So we had intended, after looking at maps, to go and check out Rocky Hole, but I've tried 2 different access points now, tried 2 different access entries in, and there's no way to get in. So that's going to put a bit of a dent on what we're going to get up to today for filling the day in and some recreation. So it looks like we might just sit around camp back at Neurum Creek for a while this afternoon, which is okay by me. I'm quite okay with that. Coming up next, we'll take a look at the drive to Lake Somerset and the recreation area there to help you get the most out of your time up here. Don't forget to leave a comment below on your choice for places and activities for us to explore here on the channel. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share the channel if you haven't already, so we can all get the most out of our weekends away. Let's get back on the road. Well, good morning. Welcome to day 2. We've just pulled in here to Somerset Dam. We're currently at the NRMA recreation park. Basically it's a van park. It has cabins, van parking, tent areas, all kinds of things. But it also has a public boat ramp, which is really fantastic. Basically as you go through the front gate, you just hang a bit of a left and you're down here at the public boat ramp. For those of you who are interested, there's also boat and kayak hire available here at the NRMA park, right next to the boat ramp. There are also bathroom and shower facilities available for the public right next to the boat ramp as well as a kids park. So this is, I guess, the first of a couple of options that are available for you if you're looking to launch a kayak or something here from Lake Somerset. So the recreation area here at the NRMA park is actually really good. We've also got a cordoned off swimming area as well, which is fantastic. It's just up here. Pretty good area in general. Not somewhere you'd probably want to spend the day, but if you're coming just for kayaking or just for boating, fantastic. That wraps up the boat ramp and NRMA day use area here at Lake Somerset. We've spent lunchtime here, so what we're going to do now is just move on and have a bit of a hang around at the spit for a while, and then that's going to wrap up day 2, and then we'll head on home. As you can see here, this is a fantastic recreation area. There's a ton of covered picnic tables with barbecues. There's a kids playground. It's a huge area and very, very popular on the weekends. The access to the water here is amazing as well. we've reviewed Lake Wivenhoe previously, which you'll see up in the top right hand corner here. It has a very similar access to that, where you can just drive your car straight down to the water and get straight in the water. So if you're boating or if you're kayaking, you can just get straight in the water very easily. Now at Lake Somerset you can enjoy a variety of different things. There's facility, as I said, for barbecues and picnics, playgrounds. You can also enjoy motorised boating here, skiing and tubing. And it's very popular with kayakers, canoers and rowers. And also you'll see quite a few sailing boats out here as well. You can also enjoy fishing here, which is great. And down the road at Lake Wivenhoe and at a few other places around the tracks as well, there is camping available. So overall it's a fantastic area, definitely a place I'd recommend, so come and check it out. Well, that concludes our 2 days away. I hope you've enjoyed your time away with me, and look forward to seeing you on the next adventure. If you're getting some value from the channel, don't forget to drop a like with the button below, and most importantly subscribe and share the channel so that we can share more of this beautiful country of ours with more people.